All right, here we go. We're gonna glue the main part. I guess this is what the cherry on the top, the front bumper right there. We already went ahead and applied some tape, and we kind of planned out how we're gonna put this on. I scratched off the edges right here for the placement of the body making contact with the bumper right there. And I'm gonna apply a small amount of glue to that area. And I'm gonna use one of these wooden sticks. There's gonna be a really small amount of glue. All I want is glue to be on here so when it makes contact. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and bust out our accelerator. So you don't want to put too much, just like a really small amount of glue right here. And here, right here on the side. And I'm using the super gold. This works good with chrome. It doesn't fog it up. It's also a CA, but super gold plus. Now we're going to do this side right here. And we're just taking our time. We're going slow. You know, we don't got to rush it. This is the last part right here. Everything else has been glued. The rear is already done. This is the last piece for the front. Headlights are already installed. Just got to be very calm as I do this. All right. So the glue's still wet. You know, it doesn't dry immediately, but it's still there. We have our accelerator in this little bottle. I'm going to go ahead and open this, twist up the cap, make sure this is ready. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to install the hood here. The hood. The front grille. Here we go. All right. First, let me go ahead and make contact with the body. Right there. All right, there we go. Man, it's barely touching that. Ah. Oh, struggles, guys. Struggles. Ah, look at that. See? These things happen. Ah, didn't go plan accordingly. Hold on. That hood's driving me crazy. Here we go. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Here we go. There we go. We make contact. Both sides. Let's go ahead and put the tape. And we're careful with the tape too. We don't want to smash it completely. Right there. Okay. All right. So from viewing this, there's a couple areas where I know I could hit it with glue. So let me pour a little bit more glue on here. All this is going to do, what I wanted to do is to make contact in another area. Look at this, just dropping everything. This is the type of things I tell you guys that always happens at the end, you know, fumbles and all this stuff. It happens to me, so don't feel like, you know, am I the only one? It happens to all of us. So we're going to go in here, make the connection right here. You know, I always, I tell my friends when you're working on your model, you know, everything's all fun and stuff. But then at the very end, when you want to complete it or fitment or anything, that's where a lot of the problems emerge, start to happen. And you have to be very open to it, you know, like expect that something's going to happen. Expect that for sure there's going to be a hiccup or something's going to fall. You know, you might drop the hood and damage a corner and you're like, dang, all right. And you just have to live with it, you know, or fix it. Either way. Here, we're going to get a little bit more glue. Let me see. So I'm doing this all one hand. There we go. I like putting this on tape because once I'm done, I could grab that piece of tape, pull it out, and then just go ahead and throw it away. So I'm just kind of running glue right here in these areas. All right, that's it. So now we're gonna kind of inspect everything right here. Make sure that we somewhat have some type of contact. I mean, not complete, but something, right? All right, we got make contact right there. Contact right there. All right. As long as there's a little bit of contact, it's fine. Because, you know, obviously the fitment, it's not like the best, but we're working with what we can do. Here we go. Accelerator time. We're going to pour it in the front right here. We're going to see if if anything holds. Because we're going to end up taking off the tape soon. Little drop right there. Little drop right there. One more. Right there. All right, let's turn this around. Let me put it right here for now. Let's go ahead and cover this. The reason why you always want to cover your accelerator too is because it does smell. It doesn't smell bad, but you don't want that to start to absorb this, and then next thing you know, you open this up and it's all gelled up or hardened because some of this stuff went in there. It like makes it react or whatever. But let's see. We're gonna give this a little moment. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape now and see if it sticks, and if it does not fall. I'm hoping that it sticks. If it falls, then we do it again. You know, we keep trying until we make contact. All right, cool. So it looks like it sticks. There we go. I turn off the video and it falls. All right, so here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna let this chill for a while. Like there's still some of the accelerator in there still kind of wet. I'm not gonna apply any more glue because the minute you apply glue, it hardens right away. I'm gonna let this air out and just chill. Later, I'll come back to it and inspect. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repeat the process inside. I'm gonna be applying little bits of glue in little corners, little areas of the front bumper. So this way it holds it. It holds it in place. Once I'm done with all the chrome, even these pieces are already glued on there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up removing the two front wheels from here because these are being held by the micro crystal clear because they keep moving around, you know, they keep warping. What I'm going to now finalize it with is going to be with the CA gold. Put CA gold, fit them in, and as they're, you know, I'm going to line them up how I want them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some supports and put them down, and then I'm gonna like pretty much tape down those supports or something. That way the wheels are lined up. I don't want to have warped wheels or anything for the stance. And then as well, I'm not gonna put accelerator. I'm just gonna let it rock and dry on its own. So this, because if you know I'm moving it around, accelerator, it's gonna harden upside down and it's not gonna work. So we're gonna do that, and I just wanted to just share that process with you guys on what I'm doing right now. This car is, you know, that's pretty much it right there. That piece, you know, take off all the tape that's holding everything. Like we have these little 2mm tape holding onto the front headlights right there. You can kind of see the glue inside, the white glue. It's like drying in there. And then, you know, these pieces of tape, they're just holding on the hood. And then I think we could already remove these right here, but I'll do that later. You know, there's no rush. So wheels will be next. Do a little backwash right there, and I think that should do it. I think that's gonna be a done model right there. But you know, we'll recap. We'll go over the finished product once everything's all set. But I just wanted to share that with you guys right here. Jump right into it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the build so far. Little by little, you know, every time we come in here, we work on the model. You know, we try to do about a couple hours or so of work, and then, you know, we kind of just go over and highlight everything there at the end. But thank you guys for watching. All right, peace. Take care.